how to turn off new subscribers to your page events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off new subscribers to your page events notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click this three lines in the top corner and click pages, and here just select your page and then click this settings icon in the top corner and then click notifications and click on Facebook. Now all you need to do is just you will find this one here, just turn it off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.